Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to change Steam password. So basically what you're gonna have to do is to simply go to steam.com or simply open the Steam app on your computer, and then what you're gonna have to do is to simply click on your current name in the top right corner, then simply click on view my profile. So you're gonna get redirected to your profile. We're gonna have to simply click on edit profile, and basically here you have your profile name and your real name. So basically including your real name can help your friends find you. Now if you want to edit your name, change your name, simply enter a new name here, and after that you're gonna have to simply scroll down and then simply click on save to save the changes, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.